नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JV and Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Dupes University. Today in this session we will discuss the anatomy of retina. So we have three coats of the eyeball. The inner vascular coat is called the retina. It is the thin, semi-transparent, multi-layered sheet of neural tissue. It lines the inner aspect of the posterior two-thirds of the globe. It terminates anteriorly at the ora serrata. Okay, so what is the ora serrata? It is a serrated peripheral margin where the retina ends. Here is an image. They have shown the retina part, which is the inner vascular coat. Then the layers of retina. They are the 10 layers of retina: internal limiting membrane, nerve fiber layer, ganglion cell layer, inner plexiform layer, inner nuclear layer, outer plexiform layer, outer nuclear layer, external limiting membrane, photoreceptor layer of rods and cones है retinal pigment epithelium. Then the topography of retina. It is a diaphanous tissue, purplish or red due to the visual pigment rhodopsin. It is most highly developed tissue of the eye. It extends from the optic disc to the ora serrata. And the surface area of the retina is 266 millimeters square. It is thickest near the optic disc. Thickness is 0.56 mm and it is thinner towards the periphery. At the equator, its thickness is 0.18 mm. At the ora, it is 0.10 mm. Then the retinal equator. The retinal equator, it is a line where four vertex veins exit. The retina posterior to this is known as the posterior retina. Actually, posterior pole refers to the area of the retina posterior to the retinal equator. The retina has important structures called the optic disc, macula lutea, and peripheral retina. This is the optic disc. It is pink colored and well defined circular area of 0.5 mm diameter. At the optic disc, all the retinal layers terminate except the nerve fibers which pass through the lamina cribrosa to run into the optic disc. A depression seen in the optic disc is called the physiological cup. The optic disc thus represents the beginning of the optic nerve and so is also referred to as the optic nerve head. Because of the absence of photoreceptors, rods and cones, the optic disc produces an absolute scotoma in the visual field called as a physiological blind spot. Then what is macula lutea? The macula lutea is comparatively dark area, 0.5 mm in diameter, situated at the posterior pole of the eyeball, temporal to the optic disc. It is also called the yellow spot. It is a color of deeper red than the surrounding fundus. Okay, and it is also called the area centralis. The primary function of macula lutea is the photoptic vision. Fovea centralis is the central depression in the macula which measures about 1.85 millimeter in diameter and 0.25 thickness. It is most sensitive part of retina. Fovea centralis has the lowest threshold for light and highest visual acuity because it contains only cones. In this area, there are no rods, cones are tightly packed, and other layers of retina are very thin. What is fovea? And the diameter of fovea is 0.35 mm and which is situated about 2 uh, disc diameters away from the temporal region of the disc and about 1 mm below the horizontal meridian. It is the central floor of fovea, the shining pit in the center of fovea centralis. And umbo is a tiny depression in the center of fovea. Foviola largely consist of cones and their nuclei covered by a thin internal limiting membrane. All other retinal layers are absent in this region. So here's an image of the right eye. So here completes our session of anatomy of retina part 1. Rest part we will discuss in the next session. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you're satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you so much.